Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily delete your Instagram account. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store and make sure we have Instagram updated to the latest version, since I only do videos on latest versions of apps to make sure everything works smoothly. After that, we quit the store and open Instagram. From here, of course, you have to be logged into your Instagram account. Now let's make our way to profile. Tap right here on your profile picture, that should be at the bottom right, and here we are. From here we need to go to settings, so tap on the three lines that should be in the top right of the screen right here. Now from here we need to go to account center, that should be at the very top right there. Go ahead and tap on it. Now from this screen we used to have to go to personal details to delete accounts. Now Instagram changed it. We need to go to manage accounts right here, and then from here just tap on this little manage button, and here it is guys. As you can see, it says deactivation or deletion. That's the one we're looking for. Go ahead and open it. As you can see guys, it is set by default on deactivate account. Since we want to delete the account permanently, choose delete account and then tap on continue. From here also it gives you some details. If you care to read through them or not, just tap on continue. Now we can choose a random reason. I'm gonna choose concerned about my data, and then tap on continue. Now this screen gives you more information that you might care about. If you don't and just want to delete your account, just continue from here. Now from here, of course, you have to put in your password correctly. Once you're done, again tap on continue once again. And this is the last step basically. Once you tap on delete account right here, your account will be deleted, as long as you don't log back into it within 30 days. After 30 days of no activity, your account will be permanently deleted. And that is guys, how can you easily delete your Instagram account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.